Counting numbers 1 to 10. Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee, and now we will learn to count numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's your turn. Ready? Go! Good job, kids! Now we will count the objects. 1 candy. 1, 2. 2 candies. 1, 2, 3. 3 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 candies. Next, how many objects are there in a box? You're right, it's 3 bags. You're right, it's 1 pencil. You're right, it's 2 chairs. You're right, it's 5 sharpeners. You're right, it's 4 crayons. You're right, it's 6 erasers. You're right, it's 9 pens. You're right, it's 7 rollers. You're right. It's 8 notebooks. You're right. It's 10 paper clips. Good job, kids. Thank you for listening. See you next time.